Hello my students, how are you? Today we will solve multiple choice questions about question number 1 and 2 and 3 to find the volume about cube and cuboid, about solid, unit 11. Look at with me, the volume of the opposite solids equal cubic centimeter. We can find the volume about length times width times the height. 10 times 4 times 3. 10 times 4 times 3. 3 times 4, 12 times 10 equal 120. 120 cubic centimeter. Letter C. Which of the following has the greatest volume? We can find the volume about each one here by multiplication about length and width and height. Letter A. The volume will be what? 5 times 4 times 3. 4 times 5, 20 times 3 equals 60. 60 cubic centimeter. And letter B. 6 times 2 times 3 equals 36 cubic centimeter. Letter C. 1 times 5 times 10 equal 50 cubic centimeter. And letter D. 12 times 2 times 1 equal 24 cubic centimeter. Okay, it's the result about all volume here. He asked about what? The greatest volume will be what? Will be 60. 60. Letter A. We must choose letter A about this question. This solid about volume about cuboid, it will be 60 greater than 50 and 24. Question number 3. Which of the following has the smallest volume? He asked about the smallest volume, so we must find the volume about all solids here and then comparing between them. Okay, look at with me about question letter A. We can find the volume about volume 1 and volume 2. We have here two cuboid, 2 times 3 times 6. The first here 2 multiplied 3 multiplied by 6. Look at with me about length here. 2 plus 4 equals 6, and the width was 3 and the height will be 2. 6 times 3 times 2. Okay, plus second cuboid here 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times 3 times 2. Then volume 1 about A here 2 times 3 6 6 plus 6 equals 36, and 2 times 3 6 6 times 4 equal 24. So the volume will be what? 4 plus 6 equal 10, 0 and care of 1. 3 plus 3 equals 6. It will be 60 cubic centimeter, volume 1. And about letter A, I look at here. He gives us the area 8 cubic centimeter and height 6 centimeter. This area about the base. We know the volume equal area of the base times the height. 6 times 8 equal 48. So question here letter B, the volume will be area of the base times the height. 8 times 6 equal 48 cubic centimeter. And what about letter C? Length times width times height. 5 times 5 times 2. Volume here 5 times 5 times 2. 5 times 5 25. 25 times 2 equal 50. And what about letter D? 10 times 1 times 3, it will be 30. He asked about the smallest. The smallest will be what? Will be letter D. This is the smallest volume. 1 times 10 times 3 equal 30 cubic centimeter. But letter C, the volume was 50 cubic centimeter, and letter B, volume was 48 cubic centimeter, and letter A, volume was 60 cubic centimeter. Question number 4. The volume of compounded shape. Here he asked about the volume. We must divide this compound to rectangular and here 2 cuboid. Okay, first cuboid in the base and the cuboid in the top. Okay, I will find the volume here. First, about the base. Look at here, length times width times height, 10 times 3 times 5, plus the volume of the top, area of the base times the height, 10 times 3 equal 30. Okay, understood? In this example, we can find the volume about the base and the top. The base, length times height times width, equal 10 times 3 times 5 equal 3 times 10 equal 30 times 5 equal 150. Now 3 times 10 equals 30. The result will be 180 cubic centimeter, the total volume. And number 5, volume of cuboid 60 cubic centimeter and its area 20 centimeters, its height. We can find the height by divided the volume and area of the base. Height equal volume over area of the base. Volume was 60 and area of the base was 20. 60 divided by 20 equal 3 centimeter is the height. So the height will be 3 because height equal volume over area of the base. We know the volume of any cuboid equal area of the base times the height. But in this example, he asked the height. Height equal 60 divided by 20 equal 3 centimeter. Question number 6. Which of the following is incorrect? Volume equal length times height and width is true. Volume equal base area times the height, it's true. Length equal base of the area times the volume, it's false. Okay, it's false. He asked about incorrect. Volume equal length times width times the height, it's true. So we must choose letter C about this example. Okay, understood? Letter C is the result. And what about here? Number 5, we choose height was 3. And number 4, we solve this example by find the volume about the base and the height. Base here. Look at this rectangular. In the base rectangle, length 10 and 3, and in the top rectangle, the base length 10 and 3, but the height will difference. So we must divide this solid or this compound to cuboid. The first 10 times 3 times 5, volume of the base, and the volume of the height 3 times 10. Why 3 times 10? Because the volume about this rectangular, or we can call it a rectangular prism. Area of the base times the height, 10 times 3 equal 30, 30 plus 150 equal 180 cubic centimeter.